Most independent advisors aren't invisible because they're bad at what they do. They're invisible because nobody ever taught them a visibility system. In this video, I'm going to show you the 2-hour monthly framework that fixes that permanently. No gimmicks, no hacks, just a system that works every single month. And if you stick around to the end, I'll give you the exact visibility kit we use with our advisors, the one that lays out this whole thing step by step. So yeah, definitely worth hanging around. Quick context, we work with independent advisors every day on their visibility and content systems. So everything I'm sharing here is actually what's working right now, not theories, not trends, not wishful thinking. Here's the reality nobody likes saying out loud. Your next client forms an opinion about you long before they ever reach out. They check your website, they Google your name, they look you up on LinkedIn, and they're definitely checking to see if you have a YouTube video. And if nothing shows up, no consistency, no clarity, no authority, they move on. Quietly. There's no DM, no email, no, hey, I almost reached out. They're just gone. Here's the kicker. Your issue is not your expertise. It's not your ability, and it's definitely not your results. Most advisors stay invisible for one reason. They don't have a visibility system. No structure equals no consistency. No consistency, no authority. And without that authority, you're basically invisible in a sea of finance content. You can be a brilliant advisor, technically strong, experienced, trusted by your clients, but online it can look like you're not even in the game. Meanwhile, advisors who aren't nearly as qualified look more credible simply because they're visible. Your expertise deserves better PR than that. Here's the good news. Visibility doesn't come from posting every day or learning editing or turning into a content machine. It comes from one simple monthly workflow that keeps you consistent without wrecking your calendar. This is the exact system we give to independent advisors who want to stay visible without adding 17 new tasks to their week. It's a 2-hour recording framework that produces a full month of clarity-driven, authority-building content. And here's how it works. Step 1, the monthly strategy session. Before you record anything, you take a short session to clarify your message, your monthly themes, your examples, and your compliance safe angles. You don't start the month guessing, you start intentional with a plan. Step 2, 4 script outlines, 1 per week. Each outline includes a clean hook, 1 clarity insight, a simple framework, and compliance-aware phrasing. You go into the recording with complete clarity. No winging it, no rambling, no chaos. Step 3, the 2-hour recording window. You block 1 2-hour window each month, and that's it. During that time, you record all 4 episodes. You pause, reset, try again, whatever you need. But the point is, you finish an entire month of content in 1 predictable block of time. Step 4, your weekly assets. Those 4 episodes become your content rhythm each month. 1 long-form video, 2 short clips, 1 story-style credibility post, and 1 clarity or framework post. And that's 5 weekly touch points just from 2 hours of recording. This system works because it removes the biggest blocker, inconsistency. You get structure without the stress, trust without the hype, and visibility without burnout. And yes, it stays fully compliant. It's simple enough to sustain all year. If you want the full framework, the scripts, the topics, the guardrails, the monthly system, it's all inside the Advisor Visibility Kit. It's free, it's actually useful, and it's the best place to start if you're ready to stop being invisible. Now that you understand the system, the next thing I want to show you is the 3 kinds of videos that actually generate clients, not just views. And once you see those, this whole framework starts to click together. Stick with me. This is where everything starts coming together.